Hello, I'm Joe. Welcome to our home. Vegetables, fruit and herbs.
Welcome back to Joe's Allotment channel. We've harvested the last of the broad beans now. So one thing we like to make with it is a broad bean hummus. So the first step is going to be to steam 450 grams of broad beans. So we steam those for about 15 minutes to soften them up. Yeah, I mean, broad beans are really nutritious for you. They're very rich in protein, rich in vitamins and rich in nutrients, and very little fat. So they're very good for you. I suppose we will add fat because we're adding olive oil to it. But yeah, I mean, they're very good for you. So the first thing we're going to do is steam them for about 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and show you what we do for the next step. Okay, so we've steamed 450 grams of broad beans, and they're cooled down now. So I mean, the next step is to blend them together. I mean, it's a matter of choice as well. You can actually take them out of their skins, sit there and take them out of their skins, all of them, one by one, which will make it a lot smoother. So that's blended the beans up a bit already, as you can see. So we'll add a tablespoon of lemon juice to that. And 2 tablespoons of tahini. 2 tablespoons of tahini in there. And we'll add some garlic. 2 cloves of garlic. Just chop those up roughly. They'll get blended in there. You can add more garlic if you want to, depending on sort of how garlicky you want it to be, really. And then you've got to add a little bit of salt, but then again, that's, you know, to taste really. Some people prefer their food a lot saltier than others, so I'll just put a little bit in there to start with. That should do. Right, we'll give that another blend now. It wasn't turning very well in the blender, it was getting stuck, so we've transferred it to a food processor. I've done it before in the blender, but I'm not sure why. It seems to be a lot thicker this time. So put it in the food processor now. So the lemon juice in there, the garlic's in there, the salt and the broad beans. So I'm now going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then give it another mix up. 3. That's that. I'll give that another quick blend. So that's nicely blended together now, and you can make it a lot. You can change the consistency by adding more oil if you want to, but that's how we like it. So we'll now put that into a jar. That can go in the fridge. Probably won't last very long. You can enjoy it on toast or crackers, or with celery sticks, carrot sticks, flatbread, however you want really. Side on a little bit on the side of a salad. Very nice. So we'll transfer that to a jar, and then we'll put it in the fridge. So that's filled up a whole glass jar. So put that in the fridge, and that will keep for probably about 3 or 4 days by the time we've eaten it all. But yeah, it can last in the fridge for a while. So it's a lovely broad bean hummus, which you can enjoy various ways. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, give us a like. Yeah, and hopefully you'll have a go at making some yourself. It's a lovely, lovely flavour. Enjoy.